Hello dear friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, today in this class we shall continue with the problems related to our continuity. So in the previous class we have discussed about very important problems related to our continuous function, and those are all problems are very important for 4 marks in your annual examination, Karnataka State PU Board annual examination. Okay students, let us continue with this session about the problems related to our continuous function. Now let us move on with this particular question. For what value for lambda? Okay, for what value for lambda is the function defined by f of x equal to, he has defined the function in this particular manner, lambda into x square minus 2x, where x is less than equal to 0, and f of x value is 4x plus 1 when x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0 is continuous at x equal to 0. Is continuous at x is equal to 0. Let us solve it. So now, since we know that, so here since f of x is continuous here, okay, already he had said that since f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, okay, that means here we require to apply directly the limit formula, that is limit as x tends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0 value. Now here we can examine by making use of left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. That concept we can make use here, because here f of 0 value, f of x function is here equal to 0. F of x function is lambda into x square minus 2x. If I substitute x is equal to 0, 0 minus 0, the whole value will be 0 itself. Now that we shall discuss now. So now, for this, let us take here left hand limit, that is limit as x tends to 0 minus, okay friends, limit as x tends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit as x tends to 0, okay, x tends to 0 minus negative means what it is, x is less than 0 means what is the function value here, that is lambda into x square minus 2x, here. So here if I substitute the value for lambda here, what we get here, that is 0, and here the value will be 0, okay friends. Now again same for the right hand limit, that is limit as x tends to 0 positive f of x, the value will be limit as x tends to 0 positive function f of x value when x is greater than 0, the value is 4x plus 1. Okay, now substitute here x equal to 0, what values we get here, that is 4 into 0, the value will 0 plus 1. So what we are observing here is that implies limit as x tends to 0 negative f of x is not equal to limit as x tends to 0 positive f of x. That means here the value we got it as negative, and here we are getting it as 1. Now what is our question and what we require to conclude now? For what values of lambda is the function continuous? So what we can conclude here is, here the function itself is not continuous. Okay, what we can conclude here is f of x is not continuous at any value of lambda, at x equal to 0. That is a required conclusion. So therefore what is the final answer here? Not continuous at any value for lambda. Okay dear friends, it is a very simple example. So before going to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, let us move on to the next problem. Find the values of a and b defined by the function f of x equal to 5, okay, when x is less than equal to 2, ax plus b when 2 is less than x, less than 10, and 21 when x is greater than equal to 10. This is a very simple problem. Just we require to find the values of a as well as b here. Very simple problem it is. So now, since what he has given here is find the values of defined by the function, okay, already it is continuous function, okay, that is it is a continuous function. Okay, just we require to find the value for a and b here. That means here since f is continuous, okay, so here at all real numbers numbers since it is a continuous function. Now here let x equal to 2 and x equal to, let x equal to 2 and we shall take another one value x is equal to 10. Let x equal to 2 and x equal to 10, okay, where the function is continuous, where f of x is continuous. Now there are two cases. Now we shall check about the f of x at x equal to 2, okay, that is first case 1 at x equal to 2. Now what is that x equal to 2 here? We shall take the limits here, that is the limit as x tends to 2, okay, x tends to 2, f of x equal to f of 2, equal to f of 2. Since here f of 2 value, what will be the f of 2 value here? Equal to x equal to 2, the value will be 5 only, this whole value will be 5 here. Since limit as x tends to f of x, okay, we are having both less than as well as greater than, x greater than 2 here, that is 2 less than x means x is greater than 2 here. So both LHS and RHS limit we shall find here. On that cases we can find out one equation, okay. Let us observe here, that is limit as x tends to 2 minus f of x. Now what is the negative value for x less than 2, okay, what is that function here? That is 5, directly he has given 5. Also limit as x tends to 2 positive f of x, okay, f of x value, x tends to 2, f of x value, x is greater than 2, the f of x value will be ax plus b, that is limit as x tends to 2 plus ax plus b. So what is the value we got here? If I substitute here 2, what we get here? 2a plus b, the value will be 2a plus b equal to 5. Let us take it as equation number 1. Now similarly, f of x is continuous at x equal to 10, we will get another one linear equation and we can solve the simultaneous linear equations to find the value for a and b. Okay. Now case 2, what is that here? At x equal to 10, at x equal to 10 let us move on with the limit as x tends to 10 negative, okay, that is left hand limit, that is f of x here for the function f of x value when x is less than 10. What is that? X less than 10 means the function is ax plus b, that is limit as x tends to 10 ax plus b. If I substitute the 10 value here, 10a plus b. Similarly for this value the right hand limit, that is limit as x tends to 10 plus f of x, the value will be limit as x tends to 10 positive, okay. So here what is the function value f of x when x is greater than 10? Greater than 10 means what is the value here? 21 it is, directly the value is 21, which is equal to 21, nothing wrong in that, we can increase one step here. Now here also left hand limit is equal to right hand limit here, therefore what values we get? That is we are getting the equation as 10a plus b equal to 21. Here also left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, therefore 2a plus b equal to 5, that is 2a plus b equal to 5, equation number 1 here. Okay, dear friends, it is a very simple and easy problem here. Now what we shall do here is we shall equate both equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 you get the value for a and b. Equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. So what we get here? That is 10a plus b equal to 21 divided by 2a plus b equal to 5. Okay, now directly we can equate. So what we get? Minus here also minus, the value 10a minus 2a is 8a, here it is 0, b minus b it is 0 only, 21 minus 5, the value will be 16. That implies here, okay, the value 8a is equal to 16, that implies a equal to 2. One value is a equal to 2, we'll substitute a equal to 2 in 1. So what we get? Put a equal to 2 in 1. So what values we get here? 2, 2s are 4, okay, b equal to 5 minus 4, that is nothing but b equal to 1. So hence we got the values as a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. that is your required result. This question is also very important as far as your examination point of view. Okay, very important. Take it as 3-star questions. Okay friends, please pause the video so that we can move to the next problem. Okay dear students, let us move on with the next problem. It is little bit different as compared to the previous problem. In all the previous problem, it was clearly said that the function was continuous at one or other point, at x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, or find out the values for a and b such that it is continuous. Now here in this problem, he has not given, but instead of that, he has given that find all the points of discontinuity. Okay, find all the points of discontinuity of f, where f of x is defined by 2x plus 3 if x is less than equal to 2 and 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. Now how we have to solve this particular problem? It is a very simple example. Now here, since f is defined, somehow f is defined here at x less than or equal to 2, it is defined. At x greater than 2 separately it is also defined. That means what he has given is whether it is continuous or discontinuous, but it is defined here. Since f is defined, so here we shall take 3 cases. That is, one is, okay, let C be any arbitrary value. Let C be any arbitrary value. That means what happens here, there arises 3 cases. If you are taking it as arbitrary means there arise 3 cases. What are those? One is C less than 2, C equal to 2 and C greater than 2. Okay, so there are 3 cases at first one, that is C less than 2, second case C greater than 2, and the third case we are having C equal to 0, and the third case C equal to 0. Now these are the 3 particular cases here. Now how we have to solve this one? Now it is a very simple problem here. Now first of all we shall move on with the each and every case here. First of all, the case 1, we shall solve about the case 1. Now case 1, how we require to solve here? Okay, so since at C at x less than 2, or say take at C less than 2. Okay, so here according to definition, limit as x tends to, okay, C, f of x equal to f of C here. So now here we are discussing only about x less than 2 here. Here x less than 2, whatever the values of x less than 2, those all values I am taking it as C. Okay, x less than 2, that means 2 ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀನಿ, C ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Okay, since here I will find out the value, that is at x equal to C, f of x. Now what is the f of x value here? Function value, this f of C, that is f of x function, what it is at x less than 2, we are taking it as C here. That means 2x plus 3 is 2x plus 3. Therefore f of C, what happens here? Here f of C value will be 2c plus 3. F of C value will be 2c plus 3. 2c plus 3, one thing. Then the second one, at also limit as x tends to C, f of x value. This value we shall determine, which is equal to limit as x tends to C. What is the function value again? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. So what we get the value? That is nothing but here if I substitute here C, that is 2c plus 3. That means here limit as x tends to C, f of x as well as f of C value, both are same here. Therefore limit as x tends to C, f of x is equal to f of C. That implies f is continuous at x, or at x defined by C less than 2, defined by the value for C less than 2. Okay, this is one part, that is about the case 1. Similarly we have to go for the case 2. Now what is the case 2 here? Case second one. Now what is that? At C greater than 2. C greater than 2, again same as it is. Let us take the definition, limit as x tends to C. That means x greater than 2, whatever the values are greater than 2, those all values we are taking it as one single entity, that is c. Okay, at all I will take all c greater than 2. Now here what is the function f of x is equal to f of c here. Now here f of x equal to, what is the function value now here for c greater than 2 or x greater than 2, what is the function value? 2x minus 3. F of x equal to 2x minus 3 at x equal to c. What happens here? That is nothing but here f of c value will be 2c minus 3. Very simple. Similarly limit value as x tends to c, f of x value, that is limit value also 2x minus 3, which is equal to 2c minus 3. So therefore we can observe that limit as x tends to c, f of x is equal to f of c. Therefore what we can write is f is continuous for all c greater than 2, for all values of c greater than 2 here. Now comes our at last part. Now what is the last part here? At c equal to 2, at case 3. Now you may ask a question. So here at c equal to 2 exactly I am taking. Now here comes all the previous problem what we have done. Show that it is continuous at c equal to 2. C equal to 2 means both left hand limit and right hand limit we have to make apply here. But since we are not taking the values here, why means here c less than 2, that means x value is less than 2, whatever the values are less than 2, those all values I am taking it as just one single element, that is c. All the values of x greater than 2, those all values I am taking it as value as c here. For that also it is continuous, here also it is continuous. Now let us look at the last part. So here we should have here limit as x tends to 2, okay, f of x equal to f of 2. Limit as x tends to 2, f of x equal to f of 2. So here at x equal to 2, or c equal to 2 here, okay, what we have, the function is 2x plus 3. That way also we can do. And here since we are having the limit, we are having less than equal to or greater than, we will make use of left hand limit as well as right hand limit. So what we get here, limit as x tends to 2 minus f of x, okay, which is equal to value, that is limit as x tends to 2 minus, what is a function f of x value here? Function f of x value less than 2 is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3, the value will be substitute 2 here, 4 plus 3, that is 7. Now friends, similarly we shall start for x, limit as x tends to 2 plus f of x value here. Now what is that? Let us observe here. Which is equal to, okay, it is continued part here. Now limit as x tends to 2 plus f of x value, which is equal to limit as x tends to 2 positive, f of x value greater than 2 is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3, substitute here x equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3, the value will be 1. That means therefore limit as x tends to 2 minus f of x is not equal to limit as x tends to 2 positive f of x. So therefore what we can conclude here is, therefore f of x is discontinuous. Not continuous means what? It is a discontinuous at x equal to value. What is x value here? X equal to 2. That is a required result here. Dear friends, you can plot a graph of it. Okay, you can plot a graph of it, then afterwards you can analyze it. Okay, at what point it is continuous or either discontinuous here. Okay dear friends, it is a very simple example. That is enough for this particular class. In the next session we shall continue the problems related to our differentiability and continuity and differentiability. Thank you.